Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel Word_Magic by Serbi. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're diving into a topic that I believe many of us can relate to: stay calm and confident, handling rude people with grace. Whether it's at work, in public, or even among friends and family, we all encounter rude behavior from time to time. But how we respond can make all the difference. So, let's jump right in and explore some smart strategies to handle disrespect with poise. 1. Understanding rudeness. First things first, let's understand why people are rude. Often, rudeness stems from stress, insecurity, or personal issues that have nothing to do with you. Recognizing that rude behavior is more about the other person's state of mind can help you stay calm and not take it personally. It's important to remember that everyone has bad days, and sometimes, people just don't have the skills to express their frustrations constructively. By understanding the root causes of rudeness, you can better prepare yourself emotionally and mentally to handle such situations. This mindset shift is crucial for maintaining your calm and confidence. 2. Maintaining composure. Now, let's talk about maintaining composure. One of the best ways to stay calm is through deep breathing. When you encounter a rude person, take a moment to breathe deeply. Inhale slowly for a count of 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. This simple technique can help reduce your immediate stress response and give you a moment to collect your thoughts. Another technique is to practice mindfulness. Stay present in the moment and focus on your own feelings and reactions rather than the other person's rudeness. This can help you respond thoughtfully instead of reacting impulsively. 3. Setting boundaries. Setting boundaries is essential when dealing with rudeness. It's perfectly okay to assert yourself respectfully. You can say something like, "I feel uncomfortable when you speak to me this way. Please be more respectful." Setting clear boundaries lets the other person know that their behavior is unacceptable and that you won't tolerate it. Remember, being assertive doesn't mean being aggressive. It's about standing up for yourself while still respecting the other person. 4. Responding with kindness. Responding with kindness can often diffuse a tense situation. Sometimes, a rude person is looking for a confrontation. By staying kind and calm, you can disarm them. For example, if someone is rude to you, you can respond with something like, "I'm sorry you're feeling this way. Is there something I can do to help?" This approach can catch the person off guard and potentially change the tone of the interaction. Of course, this doesn't mean you should let people walk all over you. It's about choosing to respond in a way that maintains your dignity and composure. 5. Choosing your battles. Sometimes, the best response is no response at all. It's important to choose your battles wisely. If a rude comment or behavior is minor, it might be best to let it go. Engaging with every rude person can be exhausting and unnecessary. Ask yourself, is this worth my energy? If not, simply walk away or ignore the behavior. By conserving your energy for more important matters, you protect your peace of mind and avoid unnecessary stress. 6. Seeking support. Don't hesitate to seek support from friends, family, or colleagues. Talking about your experiences with trusted individuals can provide you with perspective and advice. Sometimes, just sharing your feelings can be incredibly therapeutic. Remember, you don't have to deal with rudeness alone. Lean on your support system when needed. 7. Practicing self-care. Finally, practicing self-care is crucial. Dealing with rudeness can be draining, so it's important to take time for yourself to recharge. Engage in activities that make you happy and relaxed. Whether it's reading a book, taking a walk, meditating, or enjoying a hobby, make sure you prioritize your well-being. By taking care of yourself, you'll be better equipped to handle any rude behavior that comes your way with grace and confidence. That's it for today's video on Stay Calm and Confident, 7 ways of handling rude people with grace. I hope you found these strategies helpful and empowering. Remember, you have the power to choose your response and maintain your peace. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments how you handle rude people. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful and empowering content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.